What's going on, guys? It's your boy Fish in the Western, and we're here with another video. And today we're going to be talking about, does a Baitcaster Inception by Fishing 13 work on, I think this, crossfire rod. Don't really know, I just bought it at Big 5. Little cheap spinning rod, about 25 bucks. And I actually do use this with one of my, I think it's the Creed fishing reel. Spinning reel, yeah, one of those, also by Fishing 13. But today we're going to be testing an Inception Baitcaster on a spinning rod. This rod's very bendy, but then again, it's not supposed to bend this way. So let's see what happens. Alright, so we're going to talk about the pros and cons and everything you need to know before you think about even putting Baitcaster on a spinning rod. Just feeling this in my hand is quite weird. Like, you don't have the grip on the back. I mean, that doesn't really matter, right? It really matters about the performance. You got some swing. Alright. Another rod good to do this on would be like a Shimano spinning rod, because they're real sturdy. This is just a little Daiwa, and it's like one of the cheapest rods you could possibly get. But anyway, let's go for first cast. Alright, so that was good, okay? But I mean, I don't even know what to say. We're using a weightless Senko just to see like the flexibility. But then again, if you do use like a Shimano spinning rod, it could be different, and it may be a lot harder to cast a light lure. Since this has a lot of swing onto it, it's very easy to cast far. And plus, just keep in mind, this is a weightless little drop shot of little Senko we got on here. I did come here earlier, only caught like one fish, hoping we could catch at least one fish for you guys right now. The water's very cold, it could be hard. We'll see. I caught one right over here. The rod seems to be a lot longer too than a bait casting rod. I mean, it doesn't really affect anything. But so far the performance is great. I just want to see if we catch a fish, what's going to happen to the end of the rod. Because, yeah. I'm just hoping we catch a fish. If not, I'll just test out pulling on the line to see. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, go make sure you watch my other videos. Some of them are really old and not good, so if you leave a dislike on those videos, I'm fine with it. And this seems to come loose a lot too. The screw to keep the reel in. And if you guys have any other ideas that you guys are curious about, like this one, leave that comment down below, and I'll put it to the test here at this pond. I'm not supposed to be fishing here, but if you go on my account, you can see that I do a lot of videos here, and I get kicked out very often. Also by random people. Most of the time I come back though, but security guard, I'll just make a day 2 video. What in the world? Dog right there. Yeah. So the distance with light lures, definitely very far. Like, I'd see myself using this. It's a very light rod I'm using here. Just keep that in mind. All I need is one fish, dude. And there isn't a lot of baby fish in these. At least, like, smallest ones you're gonna get is at least a bunch of 1-pounders. But even then, they're still very pretty fish. Yeah, this is working great. I'm kind of shocked. I don't really know what to say. That's a problem right there. See, it reaches about, I wouldn't go too higher than like 4 pounds. 4 pounds maybe. Unless you're having that Shimano rod, spinning rod. It's a little more bulk. If you're just buying little cheap rods that are super thin, that are lightweight, yeah, I wouldn't recommend. Because this says 6 to 15, but it's hard to explain. If you guys liked today's video, please subscribe and hit that like button. If you guys didn't, go ahead and hit the dislike. That's okay with me. But go ahead and go down to the comment section and say why you didn't like the video. And if you guys have any more ideas you guys want me to try out and put me to the test, go ahead and comment them down below. And yeah, this is a fire cross. I think 6'6", yeah. And you get these at Big 5. They're like 25 bucks, I think I got it for. It's an Inception. Had this baby for a while. You can go find that on Fishing 13. Super smooth, super nice, and yeah, that's all I have to say for today. So anyway, hope you guys have an excellent day, and go ahead and check out my channel. I have some more videos. I have some videos where I was super young and the content wasn't good, but if you guys want to check those out, go ahead and check those out. And that's all I have to say, and always remember, fishing only comes easy to those who try.